Hello everyone, myself Jnanavi, branch first year CSC, startup company Eternal Infinity, product present name Smart Chair, product proposed name Seatbelt Chair. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feelings about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, integrate sensor for heart rate and stress level. Second one, GPS tracker and wireless charger for charging the device. Define, based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name, Smart Chair. Futuristic product name, Seatbelt Chair. Ideate, some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. GPS tracker, a smooth cushion, position lock sensor, height adjustable seat. Prototype, in prototype stage the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time concern, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing, I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.